Contribution, roles, responsibilities of schools and students to the success of land restoration, drought, and desertification resilience. Schools and students play a vital role in the success of land restoration and building resilience against drought and desertification. Firstly, schools can educate students about the importance of healthy ecosystems. By learning about plants, soil, and water, students understand how these elements work together. Schools can organize tree planting events, allowing students to actively participate in restoring local environments. Students can also create awareness campaigns in their communities, sharing what they learn about land restoration and the effects of drought. By working together, students can develop projects that promote sustainable practices like recycling and reducing waste. This involvement helps students feel responsible for their environment and encourages them to take action. In conclusion, when schools teach about land restoration and students engage in these activities, they contribute significantly to making our planet healthier and more resilient against challenges like drought and desertification.